Is 2025 film Marty Supreme an urban version of 2004 film Napoleon Dynamite? Today is Wednesday, 18 March 2026, and here I, Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, provide my take on whether 2025 film Marty Supreme could be an urban version of 2004 film Napoleon Dynamite. So I was born approximately 1993, and Napoleon Dynamite is one, so it would have been approximately 11 years of age when it came out. It was one we saw a few too many times, perhaps, when I was growing up, or at least per my perspective, it was a few too many times. And it's kind of a high school story, and like, you know, the scrawny, nerdy kid kind of like takes on kind of rising in the social pecking order, is how I might phrase it. And so I remember watching it, and I was kind of towards like dying off in my watching the movie. There was a bit of like, it had a very much like a rural feel to it, kind of a slower pace, more kind of like mellowed out setting and school environment. And then this past, so it's 2026, and I saw a spotlight piece when it was part of my movie going on. I think it was like a red carpet spotlight piece for the 2025 film Marty Supreme, and it received some big deal nominations / awards, and I've seen the trailer, and I've seen some like treatments of the film, and it's kind of similar in like a scrawny kid rises in the social pecking order. Now I haven't seen it. I think it's based on a true story. So instead of like high school, like socio-economic high school dynamics kind of thing, I think it's kind of a sports movie, and it may be biographical, might be biographical. And it's set in New York City, so a much faster pace, but kind of the same, like there's a change in pace or a change in status kind of being attempted by somebody of a particular physique and or temperament. And so in that sense, I'm like, I was working on this, and I was thinking of the title, and I was like, I'll make this one with the condition of the title is 2025 film Marty Supreme an urban version of 2004 film Napoleon Dynamite? And initially when I like, you know, just jotted it down, it was is 2025 film Marty Supreme in not an, but the urban version of Napoleon Dynamite. And I was like, nah, add years. All right, so like a Marty Supreme story, if it's based on somebody in like the 1950s or 1960s, the story might have not necessarily come first, but the movie came after. And so it was like, possibly. But I'm like, this is very much about the movies. So that's my take on is 2025 film Marty Supreme an urban version of 2004 film Napoleon Dynamite? Perhaps. Possibly.